You, yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison's quote is a profound reminder that self-love is not just a luxury but a necessity. Often we are taught to prioritize others' needs over our own, especially women. This quote encourages Black women to recognize their intrinsic value and treat themselves with the same kindness and respect they extend to others. Self-love forms the foundation for the healthy, fulfilling life and enables us to give more authentically to those around us. Order Lord. I am my best work, a series of roadmaps, reports, recipes, doodles, and prayers from the front lines. Order Lord's words highlight the richness of Black women's lives. Each experience, whether it's a mundane daily task or a significant life event, contributes to who we are. This quote encourages Black women to see their lives as valuable and multifaceted, acknowledging that every experience, good or bad, shapes their strength and resilience. It's a celebration of the complexity and depth of Black womanhood. Alice Walker. Don't wait around for other people to be happy for you. Any happiness you get, you have got to make yourself. Alice Walker emphasizes the importance of self-resilience when it comes to happiness. For Black women who often face societal pressures and obstacles, this quote is a call to action. It encourages them to take control of their joy and not depend on external validation. By actively creating their own happiness, Black women can lead more empowered and fulfilling lives. I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear. Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks, a pivotal figure in the civil rights movement, speaks to the power of determination. When we make a firm decision, fear loses its grip on us. This quote inspires Black women to commit to their goals and dreams with unwavering resolve. It's a reminder that clarity of purpose can overcome even the most daunting fears. I am not free why any woman is unfree even when her shackles are very different from my own. Order Lord. Order Lord's quote highlights the interconnectedness of women's struggle. It's a call for solidarity among women, emphasizing that true freedom comes when we support each other. For Black women, this means recognizing and fighting against all forms of oppression, understanding that their liberation is tied to the liberation of all women. You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou's words are a powerful reminder of resilience. Life throws challenges our way, but we have the power to decide how they affect us. This quote encourages Black women to rise above their circumstances and not let adversity define them. It's a call to maintain dignity and strength no matter what life brings. Alice Walker. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. Alice Walker's quote underscores the importance of self-awareness and empowerment. Black women, in particular, may face societal messages that undermine their sense of power. This quote is a reminder to recognize and claim their inherent strength and influence. Believing in their power is the first step towards wielding it effectively. Your silence will not protect you. Order Lord. Order Lord advocates for the importance of speaking out against injustice. Silence can often be mistaken for safety, but it perpetuates oppression. This quote encourages Black women to use their voices to advocate for themselves and others, understanding that silence can be complicit in maintaining the status quo. I will not have my life narrowed down. I will not bow down to somebody else's whim or to someone else's ignorance. Bell Hooks. Bell Hooks' words are a declaration of independence and self-respect. This quote encourages Black women to live authentically, refusing to be confined by others' expectations or prejudices. It's a powerful affirmation of self-determination and the right to define one's own path. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Maya Angelou. For Black women, this quote is a reminder true success comes from within. It's about being content with who you are, enjoying your work, and taking pride in your actions. This holistic view of success promotes inner peace and fulfillment. I am deliberate and afraid of nothing. Audre Lorde. This quote by Audre Lorde speaks to the power of intentionality and courage. Black women are encouraged to act with purpose and face challenges without fear. It's an empowering message that emphasizes the importance of being proactive in the pursuit of one's goals. I will not be famous great, I will be unequivocally myself. Zora Neale Hurston. Zora Neale Hurston's quote champions authenticity over societal accolades. Black women are inspired to embrace their true selves without conforming to external standards of success. This quote is a celebration of individuality and the unique contributions each person can make by being their authentic selves. It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. Lena Horne. Lena Horne's quote highlights the importance of resilience and perspective. Black women are encouraged to approach their challenge with strength and grace, knowing that their mindsets can make all the difference. It's a reminder that while life's burdens may be heavy, the way we carry them can determine our ability to overcome them. No person is your friend who demands your silence or denies your right to grow. Alice Walker. Alice Walker underscores the importance of supportive relationships. Black women are reminded to surround themselves with people who encourage their growth and allow them to speak their truth. True friends and allies are those who uplift and empower, not those who stifle or diminish. We have to talk about liberating minds as well as liberating society. Angela Davis. Angela Davis emphasizes the need for both personal and societal liberation. Black women are inspired to seek freedom in their thoughts and actions while working towards broader social justice. This quote encourages a holistic approach to liberation, addressing both internal and external forms of repression.